Welcome back, everyone, to The Deep Dive. I always get super excited to jump into these new topics, and today we're diving into something called the yellow brick formula.
Yellow brick formula. Okay, yeah, I've heard about this. What is it all about?
Well, from what I've gathered, it's all centered around this idea of turning your, morning coffee routine into a constant cash creator.
A cash creator, huh? So are we talking passive income, investments? What's the angle here?
Yeah, that's what caught my eye, too. Apparently, it all boils down to mastering one specific skill that can supposedly net you, get this, 100% to 2,400% profits.
Whoa. Hold on. 100 to 2,400%. That's a pretty wild claim right there. What's the catch? What's the skill?
Okay, so get this. The program claims you only need to put in 30 to 60 minutes a day.
I mean, that part sounds pretty good. I can definitely spare an hour a day. But those profit numbers, I'm still skeptical.
I hear you. I mean, it definitely sounds too good to be true on the surface. That's why we're diving deeper, right?
And to understand this better, we got to talk about the guy behind it all, Sean Donahoe.
Okay, Donahoe, fill me in. Who is this guy, and why should we trust him with, our hypothetical coffee money?
All right, so Sean Donahoe has over 25 years of experience in the stock market and the crypto world. So we're not talking about some random, internet guru here. This guy's worked with big financial institutions, has his own popular trading podcast.
Okay, so he's got the experience. I mean, 25 years in the market, that's not nothing. But what's his strategy? What's he teaching?
So he focuses on teaching people how to trade. And get this, he's already taught over 40,000 students.
Okay, so that's a decent track record then. 40,000 students, that's a lot of people. So what's the secret sauce? What's he teaching these thousands of students?
All right, so this is where it gets really interesting. He specializes in something called microcap coins.
Microcap coins, I'm not super familiar with those. What are they exactly? Think of them like the hidden gems of the crypto market. They're these new emerging cryptos with huge potential for growth, but most people haven't even heard of them yet.
Okay, I see where this is going. Get in early, ride the wave, potential for big profits. But isn't that also super risky? I mean, how do you even know which microcap coins are worth investing in?
Well, that's exactly what Donahoe claims his yellow brick formula can help you do. He basically provides a roadmap for finding these promising microcap coins before they explode in value.
Interesting. Okay. So how does it work? What's the process like? Walk me through it.
Well, from what I understand, it starts with setting up a crypto wallet, funding it, and then using Donahoe's formula to identify those potential winners.
So there's a formula, like a mathematical equation for picking crypto.
Not exactly an equation, but it's a system. He teaches you how to analyze market trends, look for certain indicators, and make strategic decisions based on his years of experience.
Sounds a little too good to be true, but I'm definitely intrigued. So this is all part of his 5-day live masterclass, right?
Exactly. And this masterclass is designed to take you from crypto novice to, informed trader in just 5 days.
5 days, huh? That's ambitious. I mean, can you really master something as complex as crypto trading in just 5 days?
Well, that's what Donahoe claims, and that's what we're going to find out.
I guess we'll see. I'm definitely curious to learn more about the structure of this masterclass and what exactly Donahoe covers in those 5 days.
All right, well, let's dive into the masterclass itself then. What are the day-by-day focus areas?
Okay, so day one, what's the big focus there?
So day one is all about laying the foundation. It's about, understanding the basics of crypto and getting into the right mindset for trading.
Mindset. Interesting. What kind of mindset are we talking about here?
Donahoe talks a lot about developing a freedom business mindset. Basically, it's about, taking control of your financial future and building a business that gives you freedom and flexibility.
Okay, I like the sound of that. Freedom business, huh? But how does that actually translate into making money with crypto?
Well, that's what the rest of the masterclass is all about. But day one is really about setting the stage and getting you in the right headspace to succeed.
Gotcha, okay. So what about day two? What's on the agenda there?
Day two is where it gets really exciting. It's all about identifying those high-potential microcap coins. Donahoe calls them the hidden gold coins.
Hidden gold, huh? Sounds promising. But how do you actually find these hidden gems? I mean, there are thousands of cryptos out there, right?
Exactly. And that's where Donahoe's system comes in. He's developed a specific set of criteria for identifying microcap coins that have the potential for explosive growth.
Okay, so he's not just throwing darts at a board. There's a method to the madness.
Right. He teaches you how to analyze market trends, look for specific indicators, and essentially use his years of experience to your advantage.
That's pretty cool. So you're not just gambling, you're making informed decisions based on, actual data and analysis.
Exactly. It's about taking the guesswork out of it and using a proven system.
Makes sense. So what about day 3?
Day 3 is all about taking action. Donahoe calls it implementing the production line for consistent wealth generation.
Production line. Okay, now I'm really intrigued. What does that mean?
It's basically a step-by-step system for buying, selling, and managing your trades. Donahoe breaks it down into easy-to-follow steps, so even if you're a complete beginner, you can start seeing results.
Okay, so he's giving you the tools and the knowledge to actually execute trades and potentially make money. But what about the risk? I mean, crypto's volatile, right?
Absolutely, and Donahoe doesn't shy away from that. He actually spends a good amount of time talking about risk management and how to protect your investments.
That's good to hear because, yeah, you can't just ignore the risk. So he teaches you how to, mitigate those risks and make smarter decisions.
Exactly. He emphasizes the importance of diversifying your portfolio, setting stop-loss orders, and basically, not putting all your eggs in one basket.
Smart. So day 4, what's next in the microcap journey?
Day 4 is all about scaling your business and tapping into the power of community.
Community, huh? Okay. I'm interested to hear more about that. How does community play into all of this?
Well, Donahoe emphasizes that trading can be a lonely endeavor, and having a supportive community can make all the difference. He calls his community the Hive.
The Hive, catchy name. So what is it, like a forum? A chat group?
It's a private online community where you can connect with other students, share ideas, ask questions, and basically support each other's growth.
Okay, so it's like having a network of people who are all on the same journey. I can see how that would be really valuable.
And Donahoe himself is active in the community, answering questions and providing guidance.
Whoa, so you get direct access to the man himself.
Exactly. And it's not just for the 5 days of the masterclass. You get ongoing support from Donahoe and the community.
That's a pretty sweet deal. I mean, it's like having a mentor and a team of cheerleaders all rolled into one.
Yeah, the community aspect is a big part of what makes this program so unique.
Okay, so we've got 4 days down. What's day 5 all about? The grand finale.
So day 5, what's the big reveal? What does Donahoe have in store for us on the last day?
Day 5 is all about bringing it all together. It's a live Q&A session with Sean Donahoe himself.
Live Q&A. That's pretty cool. So you can actually ask him any questions you have about the program or, the crypto trading in general.
Yeah, exactly. It's your chance to get personalized advice from the expert to clarify anything that, might still be a little fuzzy.
So it's like having office hours with the professor after class.
Exactly. And it's not just for those who, are struggling. It's for everyone. You can ask about advanced strategies, specific coins you're interested in, whatever's on your mind.
So it's a chance to really solidify your understanding and make sure you're ready to go out there and start trading with confidence.
Right. And, I gotta say, I'm impressed with the level of support Donahoe offers in this masterclass. I mean, you get the 5 days of training, the community access, the live Q&A. It's like he's really invested in your success.
Yeah, and let's not forget about all the bonuses. I mean, you get the session transcripts, those Cliff Note summaries, an extra Ask Me Anything session. I mean, it's crazy.
It's like he's thought of everything. I mean, even if you miss a session or you want to go back and review something, you've got all the materials right there at your fingertips.
Exactly. And the best part is, all of this is available for a limited time at a ridiculously low price. Just $19.
$19. Seriously. I mean, come on. That's less than a couple of cups of coffee.
I know, right? It's an unbelievable deal. It's like he's practically giving this knowledge away.
Well, maybe he just wants to empower as many people as possible to achieve financial freedom,
Yeah.
to take control of their future.
Yeah, maybe he sees this as his way of, contributing to the crypto community, to helping people build a better life for themselves.
And, with 2025 just around the corner and all this talk about the next big crypto craze, this could be the perfect opportunity to get in on the ground floor.
Exactly. This could be your chance to, ride that wave and potentially change your financial future forever.
So what do you say? Are you ready to dive into the world of microcap coins and see if this yellow brick formula really lives up to the hype?
I'm definitely intrigued. I mean, with all the potential upside and such a low barrier to entry, it seems like a no-brainer to at least check it out, right?
Absolutely. I mean, what have you got to lose? It's just $19. And who knows, it could be the best investment you ever make.
All right, so for anyone listening who wants to learn more about the 𝗹𝗵𝗁 formula and potentially join this 5-day live masterclass that starts this Monday, January 6th, there's a link in the description below.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to potentially transform your financial future and become a part of the 2025 crypto craze.
Thanks for joining us on the Deep Dive.
We'll see you in the next one.